Welcome to your lesson on the Powermatic Drum Sander. General safety is as follows. Wear your safety glasses at all times. Take off all jewelry. Don't wear loose clothing around the machine. Make sure you have a comfortable and safe working space around the machine. The operator would adjust the setting before the machine is turned on. Never look into the drum sander while it's in operation. When feeding the material, grab the top of the material, not underneath. If the material gets jammed in the sander, the operator must shut the machine off. The components of the drum sander are as follows. The depth wheel, the depth scale or depth gauge, the feed belt, the feed belt on-off handle, the feed belt forward or reverse, the sanding drums on-off buttons. Operation Procedure 1. Set the material on the depth scale to have the top of the material read 0. When turning the depth wheel clockwise, the gauge will go up. When turning the depth wheel counterclockwise, the gauge will go down. If the board is too wide, you must take a manual measurement. If you're unsure of the setup of the machine, ask your instructor. The finish sander is a very precise machine when needing setup. Operation Procedure 2. Open the blast gate. Turn on the sanding drums and the feed belt by hitting the green button. Please keep your hands on top of the material when feeding your material into the machine. Once the feed belt grabs the material, let go of the material. Once the material exits the machine, return back to the front of the machine and turn the depth wheel 1/32nd turn clockwise. This is a maximum safe sand. Feed the material into the sander again. Return to the front of the machine and turn the hand wheel 1/32nd of a turn and repeat these steps until the material is sanded. Shut the machine off. Close the blast gate.